How's it going, everybody? This holiday season at Show Flooring, we want to help give back to the community that has been great to us. So, for one person in need this holiday season, we are going to provide to them free flooring plus installation. One lucky person is going to walk away with an awesome flooring project done by Show Flooring. So, if you know someone going through a hard time this holiday season, we would love to brighten their spirits with some awesome new flooring. And that's flooring plus installation. So for this free flooring contest, we're likely to be getting quite a few applicants, but we really want to make sure that we're giving this away to the right person, someone that's deserving, someone that's been through a hard time, whether that be a disabled veteran, someone that just went through, the loss of a family member, maybe a provider for their family, or someone that just had some flooding. We want to correct that. We want to give them some awesome flooring, something they can be happy about this holiday season. So to be eligible for this giveaway, everything you need to know is located in the caption of this video. All we want to know is just a little bit more about the person that we're going to be helping and a little bit more about their project. We're going to be picking one lucky winner at the end of this month. We can't wait to get started. It's super exciting, and I just want to thank you for watching this video.